unusual carnivore diet meal plan with a crazy testosterone boost and a rapid weight loss.
A very recent study published in the Nutrients Journal really grabbed the attention of certified nutrition experts. It reported that around 2.1% of U.S. adult population are currently on a carnivore diet. This translates to a staggering 5.6 million people currently on this diet, making it one of the top most adapted diet plans out there. Google Trends data shows a tremendous growth in the adoption of carnivore diet over the last 5 years, with a mind-blowing 200% increase in adoption between 2022 and 2023, outpacing all popular diets like keto and the Mediterranean diet by a wide margin. Well, you must be wondering, is the exceptional growth and popularity of this diet just a result of mere hype on the internet? Or is there something really behind it all? You'll find out really soon. A lot of recent studies on the carnivore diet have revealed some really surprising findings and results. According to the findings, apart from the rapid and effective weight loss results, people on the carnivore diet report highly increased energy levels with much higher libido than before.
Crazy thing is that it just does not stop there. Carnivore diet is also reported to highly boost your gut bacteria diversity. Plus, it helps to manage autoimmune diseases with an improved mental health and also aids to regulate blood sugar levels in the body. Now, with so many benefits and compelling results of the carnivore diet, we have come up with a latest, yet an entirely unique carnivore diet meal plan for you, which is specifically based on testosterone booster foods, resulting in not only just an effective weight loss, but also a rocket-like boost in your libido. Keep watching, and do not skip anything till the very end. You may really regret missing the critical info we have put up for you.
This is Shape Squad, your trusted partner in nutritional health and weight loss transformation. As we are about to unveil the most up-to-date meal plan of the carnivore diet, it is important for you to note that all these meals are simple and easy to prepare, yet focusing on high-protein, high-fat foods, and fully align with the carnivore diet's principles. Starting off with the very critical, the breakfast meal. For breakfast on a carnivore diet aimed at boosting testosterone and aiding weight loss, consider these easy-to-manage and nutritious options. The Eggs Mania. Yes, eggs are a cornerstone in the carnivore diet meals. Rich in vitamin D and cholesterol, which is crucial for testosterone production, they're an ideal start to the day. 3 whole eggs, either scrambled or boiled, provide a good balance of protein and fats. Pairing eggs with sardines, which are high in omega-3 fatty acids, really adds to the nutrient density of the meal. Omega-3 ES are known to support hormone health and contribute to weight management. Another breakfast option is to have eggs with a side of lean turkey bacon. Turkey bacon is lower in fat compared to traditional pork bacon and still provides the necessary protein and saturated fats, beneficial for your hormone health. Lastly, a breakfast of smoked salmon is also an excellent choice. Salmon not only provides high-quality protein, but it also has the essential fats. It's particularly beneficial for those targeting weight loss and hormonal balance, thanks to its omega-3 rich content. Moving from breakfast to the mid-morning snacks. For a mid-morning snack within a carnivore diet, a great choice is a small portion of beef jerky. Opt for a natural, low-sodium variety to avoid excess salt. Beef jerky is not only rich in protein, which is essential for muscle maintenance and satiety, but it also contains zinc, a mineral which is highly crucial for testosterone production. Another option for the mid-morning snack is a few slices of chicken breast, either cold or lightly grilled. Chicken is a lean protein source and really helps in keeping you full until your next meal, thereby aiding you in an efficient weight management. Moving on, the lunch meal will certainly make your mouth water like crazy. For a testosterone-boosting lunch on the carnivore diet, consider starting with a lean steak, such as sirloin or ribeye. Grilled or broiled, these cuts provide high-quality protein and essential fats, which are necessary for testosterone production and muscle maintenance in your body. A steak lunch is not only satisfying by all means, but it is also vital for maintaining your metabolism efficiency. Another option is the lamb leg. Lamb, particularly cuts like loin or leg, is also a great choice for the lunch meal. Rich in protein and healthy fats, lamb vastly supports hormonal health and is a good source of iron and zinc, necessary for testosterone production. Roast chicken is also a great lunch option, preferably with the skin on to include healthy fats. Chicken is filling and really helps maintain lean muscle mass, which is essential for an effective metabolism. Including a side of bone broth with any of these meals highly enhances the nutritional intake, providing collagen and amino acids for better joint health and digestion. Can you guess which one of these options results in the max boost in libido? Do write in the comments. Moving on to the afternoon snacks. For an evening snack, a practical and nutritious option is a can of tuna in water. Tuna is not only convenient but also packed with protein and vitamin D, both of which are essential for hormone health and muscle maintenance. It's low in calories, which greatly helps in managing your overall daily calorie intake for weight loss. Another choice could be a few slices of turkey jerky. Turkey jerky is lean and provides a good protein boost without too much fat, making it a highly suitable snack for those on a weight loss journey. And now, moving to the most anticipated part of the entire meal plan, the dinner. For dinner within a carnivore diet aimed at testosterone enhancement and weight loss, diversifying your meat choices can be both enjoyable and beneficial for health. Consider beef brisket as a hearty option. Slow-cooked or smoked, beef brisket is rich in high-quality protein, crucial for muscle maintenance, and provides essential fats for hormone health. It also contains zinc and selenium, which are vital for testosterone production. As an alternative, grilled salmon is also a superb choice for the dinner meal. A 6-8-ounce portion of salmon delivers a wealth of omega-3 fatty acids, which are key for hormone health and reducing inflammation. Salmon's high protein content also promotes satiety, thus aiding you vastly in weight control. Well, friends, as we have approached the end of our carnivore diet day, we are sure that your testosterone level would have gone up quite a few notches. Do tell about your choice and opinion in the comments. Which one of these is your favorite meal option? This meal plan, centered around testosterone boosting and weight loss, offers a diverse range of nutrient-rich foods from breakfast to dinner. Remember, all these options can be creatively mixed and matched across meals and days, adding variety and excitement to the whole diet plan. This flexibility makes the diet more sustainable and enjoyable, helping you stay on track with your health and weight loss goals. In case of any prior medical conditions, do not forget to consult your personal health consultant before making any substantial change to your daily diet. And if you want to get really credible and useful info about your health and fitness, subscribe now to Shape Squad. As we regularly bring extremely practical and science-backed stuff, solely focused on enhancing your overall health and wellness. Meanwhile, check out our vast range of videos on healthy diet plan options by visiting our channel. Like and share this video with the carnivore power. See you!